Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to crochet a very and easy cute puff flower. This tutorial is beginner friendly, so grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. Okay, let's start by making a magic ring. Block the magic ring by making one stitch. After making the magic ring, start making 12 single crochet into the ring. Okay, once you are done with all 12 stitches, just pull the yarn and close the ring nicely. Now we will start making the petals. Take the yarn for the petal, find the first single crochet stitch, insert your hook there, pull the yarn through that stitch and through the loop on your hook and start making 3 chain stitches. After that, yarn over, insert your hook into the first stitch, pull the loop a little higher and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over again, insert into the same stitch, pull up a loop a little higher, yarn over and pull through to the first 2 loops again. Do this one more time in the same stitch. At this time you will have 4 loops on your hook. Move to the next stitch and do the same step 3 times. At this time you should have 7 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 7 loops together. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and make a slip stitch into the same stitch. So we are finishing the first petal. For the next petal, again chain 3 and just repeat the exact same step in the next stitch. Keep repeating this until you have total of 6 petals. Finish the 6th petal by slip stitch and a single crochet. Then cut the yarn. Adjust the petal a little so they pop out nicely. Then cut and hide the extra yarn. Wow, our flower is ready. In the next step, we will learn how to make the center part of the flower. Let's start making the center part of the flower. Start with a magic ring, then chain 3. We are making the center part the exact way we made the petals. Yarn over, pull up the loop little higher, pull through to the 2 loops. Again yarn over, pull up the loop, pull through to the 2 loops. Repeat until you have 7 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through the 7 loops, then chain 3. Slip stitch and finish the center part. Make a single crochet and cut the yarn. Then close the loop by pulling the yarn and adjust the center part. Make sure it pop out. Start attaching the center part to the flower. Once you have done, hide the extra yarn and cut it out. I have made 2 types of flower today, one with a puffed center and one without. Tell me in the comment which flower you like the most. And if this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe and show some love to my channel. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.